Hey, good evening and welcome to Brewster English classes. Today I am here with a new chapter, History of English Literature, and this lecture is for TGT and PGT classes. So it's a very small video and I will going to just give the overview that how English literature has flourished, in England. So it all started with the Roman invasion in 55 BC, and then when Roman invasion happened in England, so after that Celts, the Roman invasion in 1555 BC attacked Celts. Celts were the small community which was living in England in those times, and they started Romanization, because since they were Roman, they came from Italy, so they started Roman attacked Celts, and Celts were attacked, and then Celts were converted into a Romanization structure. Means that Celts were Romanized, that Celts were said that they should follow the Roman culture. After this, a small spread of Christianity was spread in England, and it was said that Christianity was brought in England by Saint Augustine. So Saint Augustine is one of the person who is basically responsible for spreading Christianity in England. Before that, Christianity was not very popular in England. Picts and Scott, actually they were two small tribes, they repeatedly attacked Celts, in England. So as I told you that first Roman came and Roman has attacked Celts, and Celts were Romanized, and there were other communities also who wanted to attack on Celts. So those community was Picts and Scott. So what happened when Picts and Scott repeatedly started attacking on the Celts? So Celts got worried and they invited two Germanic tribes, Anglo-Saxon and Jew. Means Celts were very worried, they got frustrated, so they decided that why not to call somebody to protect us, and they called two Germanic tribes, Anglo-Saxon and Jew, to protect Celts. Celt was, so when these two tribes came, they protected the Celts, but they liked the atmosphere of England and they tried to rule on it, right? And after that, when they thought of ruling it, so they sent Celts to Wales. They said Celts that you should go to Wales and you will go settle out there, and we will take care after this place. After this, Viking attacked in 1787. So when Anglo-Saxon was there, so then after that there was Viking. There was another community group who has attacked on Anglo-Saxon. And then after Vikings, then Danish ruled for some time, and then finally the Norman conquest happened in 1066, and the entire community were being thrown away. They were sent to the other places, and at the end of the 1066 AD, the Norman conquest was there, and the Norman has established in England. So in case you have any confusion regarding this chart, I have made another chart for your convenience, and that is first Celts came, then Roman came, then Anglo-Saxon came, then Viking came, then Danish came, and then finally Norman. Now in the next video, we'll proceed the further events, what has happened after Romanization. Thank you very much.